Hi, let's solve this problem very quickly. Solution: m to the power of 3 plus m equals 10. Okay, I want to bring 10 to the left, so we have m to the power of 3 plus m minus 10 equals 0. Okay, so we want to factorize what we have here, but there's nothing common to these three terms. And because of that, we will have to expand what we have here so that we'll group and factorize. It is called group factorization. So we'll group into 2 and factorize each of them. Now I have m to the power of 3. M here can be minus 4m plus 5m. Then I have this minus 10 equals 0. Minus 4m plus 5m will give us m. Mind you, you'll be thinking, why did I not write 5m before this? If I had done that, we will not be able to factorize effectively. So this should be the arrangement. Now, we have m to be common to these two terms. Here now we'll have m squared. Minus here, we're going to have 4. Then, these two terms, 5 is common. Then here we have 1m. And then here we have 2. Because 5 into 10 is 2. We equate this to 0. Now, if you look at this again, there's nothing common to this term and this term. But we can still work on this middle term. So we have m into m squared minus 2 squared. Because 4 is 2 squared. Then plus 5 into m minus 2 equals 0. Now, here we apply difference of two squares. Remember that a squared minus b squared is a minus b into a plus b. Okay, I believe you can recall that. So now that means that we have m into m minus 2. For this one here, we have m minus 2 into m plus 2. Then plus, I'm going over to this, write 5 into m minus 2. Everything is equal to 0. Now, there's the same thing common to them. So this is a common factor to this and this. So I'm going to pick out m minus 2 as the common factor. This m is still outside. Then we have this m plus 2. Close it. Then plus m minus 2 is already out. So 5 will be left over there as we equate to 0. Now let's open this. We have m minus 2, the common factor. Then we have m squared plus 2m plus 5 equals 0. So here again we have this and this to multiply in order to get 0. So it means that one of them should be 0, right? So we write our m minus 2 to be 0, or m squared plus 2m plus 5 is 0. From here, m minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0 plus 2. What I'm doing is to add the additive inverse of minus 2 to both sides. So this and this will go. And then m will be 0 plus 2, which is 2. This right here is one of the solutions. Right? Now, to get the other solutions, we are going to pick this quadratic equation and solve it. The equation remains m squared plus 2m plus 5 equals 0. Okay, before I solve this, if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, subscribe so you can get more of my videos. And if you're not if you're not new to this channel and you have not subscribed, it's not too late. Subscribe so you can get more of my videos. Now what I want to do is to get the formula, the quadratic formula. Now that we are looking for m in the equation, then m should be the subject. We have minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. Now the next thing is to get our ABC. A is 1, the coefficient of x squared, right? Then our B is 2 and C is 5. So we're going to put these 3 into this formula so that our M will be, in place of minus B, I'll have minus 2 plus or minus B squared will be 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5. Because A is 1 and C is 5. We divide by 2 times 1. Now our m from here is minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4. Minus 4 times 1 times 5 is 20. Then we divide all of this by 2. Let us continue. Okay, so this is what we have. Now this means that m is minus 2, right? Plus or minus, we have square root of negative 16. Then we divide by 2. What I want to do is to pick out this negative from here. So m will be minus 2 plus or minus square root of 16 times square root of negative 1. And then we'll divide by 2. So our m will be minus 2 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. Then square root of negative 1 is imaginary. So we'll multiply it by 4 as we divide by 2. To go ahead now, our m will be 2 into minus 2 is minus 1 plus or minus 2 into 4 will give 2, then multiply by I. This is a 2-in-1 solution. Let's get the 3 solutions together. Now m1 is equal to 2, that's the first solution. Then m2 is equal to what we have here, minus 1 plus 2i. Then our m3 is minus 1 minus 2i. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe for more of my videos.